Hang on, you're on.
Hello, my name is Holger. First, I have to apologize that I will wear sunglasses while that video is being taken, but the sun is too intense right now, so let's go on with that like this. I want to inform you guys about what we did here in Supia in Colombia. We bought the concession rights for 3 different mining concessions. We have surface rights as well. Our mining concession contains 3 different single concessions of the family. It is in the big delta where the veins are alluvial, where the veins are river rock gold, more or less 21.6 carat, and normal hard rock gold with about 16 to 17 grams per ton. What you see here behind us is the beginning of the entrance with one of the test mining entrances. These test mining entrances need to be shut down as soon as we start the mining procedure, which will be in around 6 weeks. But as you can imagine, it goes into this direction all the way until you can see the houses in the background. This concession here, what I'm talking about, goes over the next hill, under the river, over the next hill, up to more or less that white house with the red roof you see here behind me. It goes also to that mountain and over the mountain where you see the cows in the background, and we have the river area here as well. What we achieved is one concession of 50.96 hectares, one concession of 9 hectares, and the third concession of 9 hectares. So we have in total more or less 69 hectares, which makes us very happy because 69 hectares of gold concession with high-grade gold and normal gold is fantastic. We also negotiated the surface rights for most of the area, definitely the area behind you going to the town, and the area here of about 9 hectares. We negotiated the surface rights so that we can install a plant. Right now our geologists and our environmental engineers are working. A civil engineer is right now working on a plant idea together with friends in Canada. We put together all the ideas that we can do as we have to process 2 different materials of gold. The whole procedure will take about 6 weeks until all the permits are done by the geologists and by the engineers. But we are already in production in that mine, having a small production of 6 to 10 grams per day, and negotiate right now the contracts with the employees to work for us that we can start receiving that gold. We will not work inside of the river, that's an environmental challenge, but as funny as it sounds, underground, 10-50 meters underground the river, there are riverbeds from millions of years ago, and that is where we take the gold out. All the mountains here around us are Indian Reservoir mountains, which are full of gold. About 22,000 tons of gold are expected here by the industry of mining in this area. And most of the alluvial gold, most of the free gold, which is in the riverbeds all above us, 8 to 10 meter underground, is being washed away by thousands of years, being washed away from the mountains. That's why we find pure gold. We will attach to that video photos of the pure gold after it's being mined, test mined, so that you can see that. And I will give you some more information later from the rooftop of our hotel. What I can tell you is that compared to other areas in so-called red zone areas in Colombia, we feel extremely safe here, we feel extremely welcome, and we are very happy that we caught that deal with 70 hectares of mining concession. Thank you very much.